Hi again, everybody. It's Monday, October 3rd, 2022. I'm going to take a look at the Astro Excel forecast for the week. Looking at the green line here, this is the 30-minute chart. You can see that I have an orange horizontal line on the plus 10 and the minus 10 line. You can see right now we're tracking it right around the zero line with a slight uptrend, and that's what we had in the Sunday evening and overnight market. And then we flatten out here now for Monday all the way into Tuesday, and then we start a bullish move on Tuesday. After we bottom out here, we're going to start pushing up on the green line about 6 a.m. We're getting a pretty decent push, so we should see this impact into the market, and that's going to run all the way up through Tuesday and Wednesday, and it's going to peak out then around the session open on Wednesday night, and then we're going to get a pretty strong downtrend into Thursday. It's going to level out here between 7 and 10 in the morning, and then we get another push down, and that bottoms out late in the afternoon Thursday about 15:30. We get a little bounce up into the night session 1800 at the open Thursday night, and then we track downward into Friday early morning. That's going to bottom out Friday morning between 2:30 and about 6:45, and then we got a little push up. So Friday is relatively flat. We've got some good pivot points on the blue line. We have this one late in the day today about 15:45. Then tonight about right about midnight, another one. We bottom out on this one here at 15:48 tomorrow. Then we're kind of bouncing between the tens. The next big spike up is going to come on Wednesday at 14:45 or so in the afternoon. 2200 on Wednesday. Another spike low. Early morning call around 5:45 on Thursday. Then we're banging around the 10 line here, and then we got a big spike low on kind of a rounded bottom just after midnight, 1 a.m. on early Friday morning. So that's what the trend forecast is looking like for the week. Remember that when we're inside the 10 lines, there's not a lot of astro pressure. When we get these nice solid moves up or down like we have here Tuesday night and Wednesday for this up move, and then this down move on Thursday, those moves are usually reflected pretty well into the price action. There's always a possibility of inversion, but you'll be able to see that. And then if it's not tracking that, watch the blue line. It will most likely then track the blue line. So that's it for today. We'll see you again tomorrow with another video.